Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your reliable and quality supplier of machine tools and accessories. Today we are introducing the SSB F column drilling machine series. The SSB drilling machine series with the additional designation F is the latest generation of our tried and tested best-selling machine. The entire series is characterized by a very stable construction with a thick-walled column and a large projection. The large drilling table with all-round coolant channel is height adjustable by motor and can be swiveled up to 45 degrees on both sides for drilling at an angle. The main gear has 2 gear stages in which the speed may be regulated continuously, and the feed gear has 4 switching stages. The extended easy-to-read digital display in the control panel is new. This shows the current speed, the position of the set depth stop, and the current position of the sleeve. The unit of measurement for the entries and displays may be selected between millimeters and inches. A button directly on the turnstile switches on the automatic quill feeds easily and conveniently via an electromagnetic clutch. This switches the feed off again or switches off automatically when the feed has reached the pre-selected drilling depth. If the operator has selected the tapping function, the direction of rotation of the quill changes automatically when the specified thread depth is reached. The integrated coolant device is activated on the control panel and then switched on or off depending on the main spindle. With the newly designed control panel in which all functions are clearly summarized, the ergonomics have been significantly improved once again. Here at KNUTH Machine Tools, we offer a variety of powerful drills and accessories. Contact one of your KNUTH representatives today to find the best solution for your business.